Well, happy day, it's winter on the farm, so I'm going to do a little bit of breakfast harvest, a wee garden to the plate. So I'm underneath my passion fruit vine, and I'm just going to put my wee selfie stick up there so you can see this lovely passion fruit. I've been waiting for it to come right. So I'm going to do a little bit of feeding the horses, and then I'm going to pick me some feijoas and that passion fruit up there and make some breakfast. Throw a bit of hay into the wheelbarrow and go out and feed the horses this morning. You're getting a wee look at what I do when I'm not doing the music thing. Good morning, Dancer. That's a good boy. Gonna roll in that? Not sure. How you going, Dancer? Right? Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy, isn't he? Toss it round a bit. That's what he does every morning with his hay. There we go. You're gonna just roll in that hay, aren't you, Dancer? Hey? Was that good fella? He's about 40 years old, this horse, so he's, well, he's a pony. He's a Timor pony, actually, aren't you, sweetheart? Hey? You finished having a roll? I've got a few of these passion fruit vines, and this time of year is when the fruit are just coming ripe. They turn dark, so that one's not ripe yet. Black passion fruit. Thank you, you're coming in for breakfast. So what I've got out here, in this part of the yard, is a feijoa tree. So you pick the fruit off the ground, not off the tree, because that's when they're ripe. So here you can see is the feijoas on the ground. Pick those up. These are the ones on the tree. So they're also known in other countries as pineapple guava. Breakfast with winter harvest. Okay, so we've got the noisy Australians in the background that you can hear. That's my budgies. And so what we're going to do is just peel these. I've pre-washed them. As kids, we used to just cut them in half and scoop out the middle. Absolutely beautiful flavour if you've not had feijoa. In New Zealand, nearly every garden has a feijoa tree. Feijoa's in there. Now another really yummy thing that I'm going to add, which is not from my garden of course, but I love these, is just get a couple of dates. Got just a couple of pitted dates and just chop them up. Sprinkle with a bit of dates. It's a great breakfast full of nutrition and using basically no fruits. I love a bit of dates in there. And then I'm going to go get some coconut yoghurt, and because I'm vegan, I like to use the coconut yoghurt. Give it a stir up. This one's a vanilla bean coconut yoghurt. Just put that on there, like that. And then cut the passion fruit open. And here we are. And we've got the passion fruit. Passion fruit. Absolutely delicious. There we are. That lovely bit of passion fruit over there. Yeah. And then to finish it off, because it's got coconut, I like to take a lime. I've got a Tahitian lime. It just gives you a nice little tang. Let's just squeeze the lime over. And there we have it. So there we go. There's another garden to the plate on Ellie's self-sufficient channel. So remember, do hit the subscribe button below, and I hope you try this delicious breakfast. So here we go. Feijoa, pineapple guava, a little bit of dates, coconut yoghurt, passion fruit over the top, freshly harvested, and a little squeeze of Tahitian lime. Wow.